hold 300 million of the 2.75% 2041 bonds. We'll also get Q3 GDP data year on year for Singapore. Look for an estimate of spot 2%, that's against a prior spot 1%. In terms of the quarter on quarter, look for an estimate of 1.2 against a prior negative 3.3%. Just an FX as well, seeing sterling come under pressure here, coming into 126.15.
Aussie dollar.
Chinese blog here saying that they see 50 billion worth of US farm spending possible if ties between the two nations normalise.
Aussie yen. Dollar yen. Aussie dollar. Dollar yen. Aussie yen.
Hello.
Morning.
Hey, how's it going? Oh man. Pound yen kind of stopped falling for now.
Yeah, Aussie looks like a buy actually.
Aussie yen. Yeah, it hasn't really started rotating yet.
There's also support in the 30 minute. Let me just make a photo.
Yeah, pound yen has more to do. Selling pound yen
Dollar
has more to
yen.
do with the pound than with the yen.
Yeah.
All the pound pairs are reversing. That just happened to be the first one I saw when the market opened, and it has the ABC. So I was like, okay, I got to short that. What you call it? Pound dollar is
Dollar
right
sign.
behind it, just not quite there yet.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Oh shoot, there's another one. Pound Aussie.
Yeah, pound Aussie is too deep down already.
Nah, that's a 1, 2, 3. That's real well. Yeah, maybe for you. For me, that's a perfect sell entry right there on pound. Let's see. I need a fib. Throw on there real quick.
Yeah, but this is... The market is not even really open and you're gonna have a 60 pip stop.
Nah. Well. Yeah. Well, I don't know about 60, but yeah, you need more than a 5 pip stop. Put it that way. But that's beautiful with the. Just looking for 38.2% would take it to last week's weekly pivot, which is right around 184.48. Going to write that down. We'll check back on that later in a day or two.
I have to restart my platform. I cannot open the dollar thing on my external charts, which is strange.
Gold.
Let's do that before the bell.
You know what could suck though is that it ends up putting support somewhere just a little bit lower and then trying to make a new cyclical leg higher. That would not be good. That would be looking for. But if it does that, then we already know what the next target will be. It'll probably be monthly R2. And that's up there. But see, the reason I'm not worried about it is because all the pound pairs are rolling over.
Dollar yen.
86.53 in that case.
Seeing there Singapore
Pound
Q3 GDP grew at spot 6% quarter on quarter on an annualized basis. That's a missing estimates of 1.2%.
Dollar index.
Yeah, great. And my platform is not running.
You say that I don't care about you, but not in the
There we go. Pound yen coming down some more now. Good. I think I'm gonna close this one position. It's already
Bitcoin.
25 pips. I'll just
I think that I'd rather be alone.
Oh, Aussie is back down.
Even though I hate when my bed is empty.
And dollar thing is... Holy shit.
see that? Whoa! Holy moly!
Dollar sing.
Now I'm hating myself for exiting.
Oh, I was just getting ready to close it. I didn't yet. Now it's at 30 pips. I'm gonna close it right now. That's too weird for Sunday, right? I'll take the one and leave the other.
Ah, shit. While the platform was offline, I had the perfect opportunity to scale it.
Point of view. I wonder where it all went wrong. This could have been a different song. And now I'd rather be alone. Even though I hate when my bed is empty, I don't wanna be locked up while pretending. So I'ma make it easy for us both. Cause I don't even want your love, want your
Nick
love.
Key.
Want your love, want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore. Cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah.
Okay.
Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore.
Holy shit, Pound Yen is falling far.
Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore. Cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore. You know that all I ever want is for you to be happy. To be happy. Never wanted this love to end up this way. But the things we can't change. Cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah,
And I'm done.
Cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love,
Ah, no order sound, that sucks.
nah, nah. Not anymore. Cause I don't even
Pound Aussie already down. 10 right there.
Aussie yen.
12, 13. It's falling. 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm out.
I'm done. Oh shit, you didn't see that on the live stream. Ah.
Cable.
Where the hell do I have an alert on? Did you hear that? I was talking, I heard an alert go off. Where is it?
Aussie.
Aussie.
Oh, shoot. And there's a... Oh, okay.
I love the reverb.
Boom shakalaka, bro. Damn.
I'm done. I'm so done.
And there's another 13 on Pound Yen out,
Yen.
done and done, bro. That's a wrap.
That is a nice Monday.
That is crazy, bro. That's crazy how quick that hit. Wow.
It went up and my platform was still offline. And I saw it on my monitor. Oh fuck, it's going up and I cannot scale in. What the? Oh, come on. And now it's dropped like a stone. That would be 10% if I had the chance to scale in. It went right to the resistance.
Well, everything we were talking about last week at the end of the week, remember that conversation we were having? Is all in play here, man. I mean, I know. The only reason I have to shut all these down, I know I talked about
Ireland, the Ulster
bigger
Bank
wins,
construction
but this is
PMI.
the
They come in at
first day of the week.
48.3 versus a prior of 53.7.
I mean, you got to take that off the table.
Just looking
man.
into the notes of
First
that,
day.
it's the sharpest fall in output from Ireland since November 2012.
Yeah, that's it. That's a massive move. Nothing is gonna happen anymore. Yeah, look on the 30-minute chart. This looks beautiful.
Wow. So
Went right up. You see the last 30-minute candle? It went up to the resistance, and I saw it on the monitor. And my fucking C-Trader did not run, so I could not scale in.
oh wow.
Aussie dollar.
That will be 10% now. Well, why I'm complaining? I'm +3 in like 5 minutes.
Let's Let's see how many bars are we going to get out of that. I probably should have held on pound Aussie. Let's see. Oh shit! No, that's 2 bars. That's 2 bars. Beautiful.
Pound Aussie is kind of slowing down. That's kind of... Oh, the Aussie dollar is going down.
That's why, I mean, I know where I was talking about weekly pivot and everything, but it fell so... Those 2 bars fell so fast, I was like, okay, I'm out. That's it. I don't even think I got it all. Let me see.
Yeah, who cares?
Yen.
Money is money. Take it and run. This is free money.
Yeah, I did get it all. I pretty much did, man.
Yeah,
it was at 85.48.
Dollar Sing, same. I had no time to find a support, so I just exited trade.
Yeah, by the time you start thinking, okay, well, what's going on here? The next thing you know, to retrace and all that profit will be gone, man. It's the first day of the week. I can't take it.
Just take the money. YouTube is flagging external links. What the fuck? And pound yen is still dropping. Oh, fuck you. Nikkei is negative now too. Now it's actually gonna drop. Let's just hurt myself by looking at pound yen. Oh, it's right at support. Did you take profit? Oh no, this is not.
Which one?
Pound yen. Well, no, this is not correct.
Yeah, I'm out. Both positions on pound yen. First one,
there's
30 pips. Second one, 13.
There's a horizontal now, but there's could go 32 more down.
Nah, well, it falls that fast. We gotta get a retrace, I believe. Let me take a look at it again. Hold on one sec. Man, I don't know, man. You know what the thing is? There's an ATR. We're at 42% ATR, and just the secondary target, man, looks real good.
32 more
I'm
down.
just ready to get back in, man. Huh?
32 more down.
Easy. But I'm just like, right now, when you get profit that fast, I just kind of like want to sit back and see what happens now.
Yeah, same with the Sing dollar. It's gonna retrace to the VWAP, and then probably gonna retest the previous support, and this is like 80% of the move. Fuck that. Just take the money.
Yeah, so many times, man, you get on that high, and you're just like, ooh, okay. It's like a feeding frenzy, and then the next thing you know, you just start giving it back. And just sit here and let these coals burn out.
Let me just have a look what I missed on Dollar Sing.
Dollar Sing.
Oh, I was saying. Oh, man. When does Dollar Sing ever fall like that? It's usually slow.
Yeah, I captured almost all of it. I almost exactly captured it.
Oh, that's a bounce now, man. You can't sell that.
It's right at the VWAP. Just wait. Like I said, it's gonna test the previous support. That's why I went out, because it's gonna retrace like 70% of the move. I could turn here. But hey, it's Monday.
Is there any news or something happened over the weekend?
No, just now GDP.
Or it's just okay, because a lot of this I think is just like when it comes to pound yen, it overshot the monthly resistance and then made a 1, 2,
Dollar
3
index.
at the ATR above it. So I mean, a retrace was, that's why I don't know if you saw it. That was the first thing I posted when the market opened was sell pound Aussie. I mean, sell pound yen as soon as possible.
I saw it too, yeah, and I was the market is not open yet, and I better wait for Tokyo, and then it was down like plus whatever 14 already, and fuck that.
Yeah, and you know what I did? I opened another sell. Soon as I got another, I got a green bar higher. I opened one more sell, and that's what friggin' just, oh man, I was like, it's coming down.
Yeah, that was the right choice to do. I just chickened out, 'cause I was already short on a Singapore dollar.
Oh, okay. Mr. Stash, come out and play.
803. When did I enter? 738. But 80% of the time nothing happened.
You know, that's how I try to tell people, man, it's like the time has nothing. You don't know if it's going to happen fast or it's going to happen slow. All you have is your entry, and then you just kind of have to wait. It could happen fast. It could take 2 days. I mean, I wish I had some tool that would tell me how, if I enter the market now, how fast will this go to my target?
Gold.
Another universe, it's another universe, another universe, tonight I'll meet you there.
Oh shit, that's a beautiful exit, man. Damn, you got all of that. You got all of that. Congrats, man. That's nice, dude.
That was blind luck. It just, oh, okay, that's
I
enough.
was gonna say, I was looking at where it went higher, and I was like, man, normally you
Johnny,
would have
yeah.
hedged a little bit higher than that. It's a good thing you hadn't hedged it. You know that?
I was not heavy in the beginning. Like I said, pre-market order, so whatever, it's like 2 lots.
Ah, okay.
But then on it dropped. GDP was out already, so I think maybe it doesn't work out. Mobo said already the GDP numbers, and then it pulled back to the VWAP, and then I added another 10. There was a massive delay in the price action, actually. Just recalling that. Mobile said the numbers already. And like it took like 10 seconds until price starts to move. 'Cause it made casually a VWAP reversal and there I sold another 10. Oh, pound hours, he went over the VWAP. What's going on there?
According to Reuters estimates, PBOC expected to set the yuan midpoint at 7.0743 per dollar.
Holy shit, that looks bad on the 30 minute. Pound yen is, by the way, right at the VWAP.
It's already starting to bounce a little bit.
Yeah, that Nika is also at the VWAP. So this is actually a good short entry now. I mean, like right now. This is like 5 pip stop thing.
Wow, man. So is what you call it, a good short pound Swissy right here too.
Yeah, but on pound Swiss you cannot do 5 pip trades.
Nah, you really can't. Yep, pound Aussie already bounced up too. Look at that. That was the right move getting out. It's bounced like 20 pips. Almost 20 pips. Let me see. I'm gonna get out 48. 48 to 60, 66, 62, 63. Yeah, that's a serious bounce.
Whoa. God is angry.
Let me look at it. I haven't seen it. Oh, shoot.
Hello.
Hey there.
Oh yeah, you hear me now?
Who's that? Oh, Stash.
Yep.
Yep. I thought you said your mic didn't work.
Yeah, I just fixed it.
You live in Germany, right?
Yeah. How you know this?
Dollar yen.
I'm a genius.
Yeah, of course, we all are.
In your face. You're funny, dude.
Boom! +5.
Yeah, wait for a nice retrace.
Hey, this is how trading works.
Anyone who was on the other side of me, thank you.
What's up, fellas?
I just made
Howdy.
a casual 3%, like in like 2 minutes.
I saw that. Good trade.
I wasn't so sure about it because the GDP numbers came out and nothing happened. And then it casually made a VWAP reverse. Oh, let's just add another 10 and get out of this shit. And then the spread widens up like crazy and it drops like a stone. Lucky I didn't have take profit because the take profit wasn't really far down, like 2.5 pips or so, and it dropped like 14, 15. I don't even know. Let me just check.
Doesn't look like it slipped you much.
Oh, it dropped 37. Fuck. The plan was to get out about here, something like that.
I found the
Yeah,
alert.
+6.
The alert was on Sing dollar yen. That's why it was freaking going crazy.
Look at the trading room.
Yeah, I don't want to tell everybody I did 4% on Sunday, man. They'll start hating me.
Oh, you're so okay. That affects.
We can, you can hear, let me just sort the words. You can hear yourself. Holy shit, what's going on? Can somebody else say it?
You got your sound on Omega Man, I think. You can hear everybody double.
Can you hear what?
If Chaos is talking, we can hear everybody. Echo.
If you talk and somebody else talks, we can hear the other one twice.
Oh, that's because
Okay, got it.
yeah, I'm not using my mic. I'm not using my headset. I'm just using the webcam's audio.
Yeah, then fix it.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Oh, I haven't updated the calendar. That's why Morbo didn't. That's why Hermes didn't say anything. Let's just do that real quick. Artificially make this live stream longer because I'm so done for today.
Tech firms that are so
Yeah, that's you know what? We were looking at other things. I'm like, I'm done, dude. I'm not pulling the trigger again tonight. That is a wrap. Although
And there goes the money.
Pound Kiwi here. Let's see, it's in the middle of nowhere, but it's sure providing a short signal. Late, it's lagging behind everything else. I don't know, there's a little bit of divergence there too, which is weird. It's like there's, you know what? I bet you it's the daily pivots. Let's pull them up and see.
Dollar yen.
Nope, it is not.
Yeah, what happened to the 137 entry? Oh, nice.
Nah, when I look at the daily chart, I'm like, I don't think that's that's a good move. I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm done for today. I'm gonna watch all you other guys trade. Doji Rock should be into something soon enough.
Nope, I ain't trading tonight.
No?
No, I'm still holding shorts.
I was just about to ask you, you're living off the spoils from last week?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I just lied.
Why I'm not surprised.
No, I have to take this short, man. It's a pound dollar. Nice easy trade there.
Oh yeah, pound's been great.
Pound dollar, man. So AB, that's a 1, 2, 3 minor short. I gotta take that. That's easy, and it's a less than 1 pip spread, or right at 1 pip. So I'm in, and that's it. That's the last one.
Pound yen is struggling too.
I was looking at that. Looks like it's gonna fall more, huh?
Yeah, but it's taking some time and the volume is going up. What's the Nikkei speaking? Well, it made a new low. Okay, the Nikkei has easy 34 pips to go, so whatever. Yeah, it looks good.
Gold.
Yeah, there's definitely more room for AJ to go down.
Yeah, the Nika is about 35 for the next support. But it's a holiday in Japan today.
Ah, okay, well, that explains a little something.
So if you want to make money, you have to do it now or in the early EU session, because Canada and Japan, Canada and the US has holiday too.
What the hell kind of holiday is Health
That's a-
Sports Day?
Some Colombian whatever, I don't know, forgot already. Columbus Day. Is that the liar that claims to have discovered something else?
Yeah, yeah.
Why he has a holiday? I talk shit and I don't have a holiday.
Does that mean the banks will be closed tomorrow? Probably.
Does that mean what? Sorry, I didn't hear that.
So I said, I guess that means the banks will be closed tomorrow. Federal holiday.
Yeah, that's what I meant. I only list bank holidays.
Making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Dollar yen.
Wait, does it always say like dollar yen and so?
Yeah, my monitor does that. Every time one of the assets hits the VWAP, it announces it.
Okay, that helps.
But I don't have everything on it, just the dollar index, Bitcoin, Sing yen, dollar yen, Aussie yen, pound Aussie, Aussie dollar, Sing dollar, pound, and gold.
Okay.
That's a lot.
Yeah, and I only trade like 2 of them. Like literally every day I see a pound, I see fuck, that is a nice move. That is like a entry my daughter could have made. But I didn't.
That thing's bouncing already, man.
Yeah, I see it. It's bouncing pretty hard.
I don't see anything.
The Australian dollar is going down, that's why pound Aussie is going up.
Dude, I shorted it at 85.64.
Ah. The juice from the pound is kinda out. But it's gonna retrace back anyway.
So we went from 64 to 48 to 79 in 90 minutes.
Going fast nowhere. No, going nowhere fast.
Bounced right off of monthly R1, so resistance is now support. But I'm going to use SwingFish as a line, but don't look at them because pivots don't work. Like VWAP doesn't work.
Wow, Pound Aussie moves pretty fast. What is going on?
I'm gonna go 10 more pips.
Cable is going up. Aussie dollar is going down. Well, that makes some sense, but why it's moving so fast? It bounced off the wheel and it's plus 27 already. That is pretty far. There goes Pandian. But it's just plus 9 from the VWAP and it made the first 7 pips like in 10 seconds. And now it's bitching around since half an hour.
What does fluff mean?
Like stuffing, like useless.
Yeah, okay.
Like the feathers in the pillow.
Yeah, I don't get this, but I was guessing stuff. Okay.
Yeah, not the stuffing like you put in a turkey.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. And I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Which time frame did you post there? 30 minutes or?
Who are you talking to?
To Omega.
Oh, Omega doesn't trade with time frames.
Oh yeah, my fault. I know. I knew this. Sorry.
It's all good. Don't worry.
But there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like
Gold.
No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Gold.
Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
That pound yen looks pretty nice. have no profit factor today. That sucks. Oh, you need to stop that.
Oh yeah, double music in this. So, why you shorted pound yen? Omega? You ain't gonna tell me why.
I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep
Gold.
wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Cable. Dollar index.
Thinking of reshorting dollar Sing. The dollar has a nice gap actually, but this could actually continuation. The Nikkei went nowhere.
Dollar index. Cable.
Yeah, VWAP is calculated on the volume, tick data and volume data. So if your broker gives you shitty data, you're gonna have a shitty VWAP. As example, if you look on TradingView and add the VWAP, there's actually a pretty good one. But it always looks different because the data is from Rwanda and they have a little volume information. Yeah, Rwanda is fine actually. You cannot make this razor sharp type entries I do, but if you know that there is some offset, it's still tradable. I have the same problem with indices as example. I cannot make this sharp entries like I can on Aussie yen or something like that, or the Australian dollar directly.
Dollar Sing.
My indicator actually shows the distance to the VWAP. That's the number means next to these arrows.
Dollar Index.
Like now it's VWAP. VWAP minus 1.2. I programmed that myself, but the VWAP data is just standard math. There's nothing special about it. And the indicator also suggests us a trade size. Because I'm so close to the VWAP, the size is huge. So it's offering me 2.5 million, that's 25 lots. And my 0.3% drawdown would occur right at the VWAP. That's actually the magic, because the closer you are, the more size you can put on. So the price is moving down now, and the size is getting smaller each tick, because the stop will be further away. So now it's just 17 lots, so this makes a massive difference. Yeah, pound yen the same, but the British pound is more expensive, that's why the size is smaller. Yeah, I'm 2.7 pips away. So if I short it now, I could sell 8.5 lots. But of course, this is just this is not meant to measure size. This is just so you have an idea how much you can buy or sell. So that's right, as close as possible. Because the closer it gets, the more size I can put on at the same risk. See, now it's minus 0.7 pips from the VWAP, and I have almost 30 lots. So if I sell 30 now and the price goes up back to the VWAP, I will have a 0.3% loss. Yeah, that's right. Try to tighter stop. That's basically what it comes down to. The closer you are to the stop, the larger your position will be. And that makes a massive difference, as you can see on this trade. This is like, okay, this is hindsight kind of stuff, but well, you get the idea. These entries are not that big. It's like 3 lots ish, whatever. I did bounce back to the VWAP. At this point the VWAP was around here, so and then I sold another 10.
Dollar Sing.
Yeah, actually, yeah, I cannot read. Yeah, but at this trade, these entries I made before the market went open. Let me just add the Weaver.
Pound yen.
This was still during Sydney, and then the VWAP resets at Tokyo. So we cannot really see the 1 point. Where is it? Oh, here, no. Well, the point was there somewhere, but I cannot see it anymore. And here you see, here's the VWAP, the initial point, and there I sold another 10. So this trade has a larger stop because I entered the first position pre-market. That's why my position was very small. Like, if you look at the 30-minute, you know, see why. Yeah, the market opened here, and it had 10 pips to go up, so that's why the initial position was pretty small. And then it actually went there, but I didn't capitalize on it because my platform was dead. And not dead, I was just restarting the application. No, the first entry was just a normal technical entry. Like, I have these 2 trend lines here, which is fine, and then okay, I sell here. There's a resistance about 12 pips higher, so I have like 14 pips. So I sold like, I don't know, 1.5 lots or something like that, just for the fun of it, to have something in the market. But as when price went down and it retested the VWAP, I went in pretty heavy because this was, it's gonna go or it's gonna go or it's gonna retrace, and it did go. There was also a delay in the market reaction to the news. That was kinda new. I thought actually the news had no impact. Because, yeah, of course, if let's just assume I'm in a trade already, and I'm gonna trade this reversal, I'm gonna declare the whole setup after that as stopped out on my new stop. I'm gonna add size based on my new stop. And on a trade like this is just because the market moved so fast. This is pretty much nonsense, but I would short it here because it broke the VWAP, it went back, it retested the VWAP, and now it's on the way down. So this is actually a short entry, but it's too small. The range is too small. This is not tradable, but technically this is a setup. Let me just go to a smaller time frame. Yeah, so price went below, it goes back up. So this is dollar thing. This is now a 1 minute chart. I just make it smaller, so because here there's no price action. So where the arrow is, there would be an entry, and here is just now another one. So if you have if you sold here with a very large stop, and you take this trade here at full size, your max loss will move down because your average price will move down too. And then I will stop out all the positions at this new stop level. Like I said, this is not something I will trade because this massive move. So that is just gonna consolidate like forever now. But this is a setup. Price crossed the VWAP and it retesting the VWAP from below. This is where you go short. Just not here right now because this is, like I said, it's a bad setup. But for the sake of the argument, I just make a funny line here. I can just short it with a micro lot.
Order filled.
But this can fail because, like I said, this is a bad setup. So this is the Sing dollar, so it's 1.5 pips for Singapore dollar, so the stop will be right here. Yeah, that's 2.
Dollar index.
If you make a trend line here, okay, we over already. So this is already failed. Okay, we could say okay, this was because volatility from the news, then it would be like here, okay, let's move it a little bit up. But that would be it. But like I said, this is a terrible setup. But it's just still another one.
Build.
Well, now I have doubled the position. So the average price moved up half. But the stop remains. Okay, let's be nice. Make it a previous high like this. And then because of this massive move, there have today intraday immediate support and resistance, which would be here. Yeah, this is a terrible risk reward. It's actually negative. Could just pivot. But this is gonna be stopped out in a minute anyway. Uh, 1.7 pip. This is too high already. This is already considered failed. Like I said, terrible price action because of this massive move. Oh, this is too small.
Order pending.
And now we have the same from the upside. Price crossed the VWAP and testing it from above, which makes it a buy. Again, this is a terrible example. Yeah, pound yen looks a lot better. Actually, I called this setup here in the trading room. I actually posted a chart before this fell down, and here's the same again. It went over 2.5. and is now plus 14. The easiest way to do that is just have a limit order along the river. I actually have a bot who does that automatically. Maintain a limit order along the river. Yeah, like I said, this is a bad example because of this massive move. There's gonna be just consolidation like forever. Actually, this is pretty simple. This is based off experience. Like on pound yen, I know the price is gonna regularly go over like 3.5 pips. So my stop will be
China there
VWAP minus 4, something like that.
2.65%. That's versus 2.51%, the weighted average from the previous close. Setting yuan reference rate there at 7.0725 against the dollar. Just to repeat that, PBOC setting yuan reference rate at 7.0725 against the US dollar.
But on ASEAN it's like 1.5, so this is experience, let's put it that way. But even if you do it conservative, if you like say, okay, everything's... Oh. Okay, the order is filled. Let's see if I get stopped out now. I was hoping this support is gonna... Oh no, I'm gonna get stopped out now.
Stop filled.
There we are. I like this. It's no volume. Pretty sure 0.0. Yeah, 0.0. No, ATR doesn't matter. This is a plain volume thing. Sure, for the targets it can help. Like if you see here now with plus 22, enter with a 4 pip stop. Well, you do the math. This is a gigantic trade already. So if that would be entered with a 0.3% risk, this trade will be already almost plus 2%. And of course, sure, you get run over like all the time, like on this one. Okay, this was a terrible one, I said it before. So if it crosses, there is no way of stopping it, so you're gonna get stopped out, and you're gonna get stopped out all the time. But even if you get stopped out like 5 times in a row, you're still gonna make money. That's just experience. I know this is gonna... pound yen usually goes over like 3 pips, 3.5 pips. There's also spread. So 4 pips makes sense. Add a little bit more room, 4.5 pips. So it's VWAP minus 4.5 pips. So if you enter like 1 pip before the VWAP, then it's this 1 pip plus 4.5, so I have a 5.5 pip stop. And all you have to do is put as much size as you can in that range. And then of course you have to take the money and run, and I would if I would have taken this trade, I will exit at the pivot. Not because there's a technical reason for it, just because there is the pivot. Because everything gonna react in these short ranges. Okay, this is not a short range anymore, it's 23 pips. But everything is gonna have some reaction to the price, and if you have that spot stops, you just have to take the money. But you can do that all day, basically, so who cares? Some people scale out or whatever and then let the rest run, but I'm not that kind of person. Okay, we could take a technical exit around here. That makes actually a lot of sense. But I would have taken profit at the pivot. Because there is the pivot. Not because it makes sense, just because it's there. Same with moving average. It's like, okay, it's just flipped. Okay, this is a bad example. Actually, I called this trend line hit this morning. It was 34 pips higher at this point. So like if there is a moving average nearby the target, like you have an intraday target, like it's like 2 pips higher than the moving average, I take profit at the moving average. Or weekly VWAP. Or monthly VWAP here, the green one. So you're basically finding reasons to exit the trades.
Seen here, China's central bank has not yet conducted open market operations.
Coffee time.
Shoot. No coffee for me. I want to sleep tonight.
Sorry, I did hear you say something, but I was on the stairs already.
Oh, no. I was just saying, no coffee tonight, man.
Party is over anyway.
Yep. Man, I like your boxes, man. I used to have those on my chart too for Asia, just like that, man. They're a pain in the neck though because we have to always change the settings for them, like when daylight savings like comes and all that shit.
Yeah, this indicator I have here does that by itself. But yeah, I know, I get you. That was a nice one on pound yen. Too bad I missed that one. Two entries, so clean.
$sing.
Oh yeah, I called them, I didn't trade them. No balls.
What's that?
I was just responding to somebody on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
He said because pound yen was a nice trade. He actually went to my target I set up this morning before the Tokyo bell. But no balls. Story of my life.
$sing. $sing. Gold.
Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating.
Feeling like reshorting the thing though.
There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to.
No retest. And the US dollar is actually going up.
Sing yen.
You got my heartstrings. I try to fight you off, but it's so useless. You circle around me
Alright, gonna call it a day. Take the money and run. Probably gonna be some pound action later. Yeah, but I'm not gonna take on that one. Still, pound yen is a nice short. Anyway, have a good one.